Welcome to the channel. Thanks for tuning in to another video. This week we got another Ram 1500 upgrade video for you guys. I'm super excited about this one. Let's not waste any more time. We'll jump right into it.
All right, let's go drag racing.
All right guys, if you've been following along, you know our daily driver setup here. I got the middle of the road head unit that came in this truck. It does have Bluetooth, but I had a company reach out to me. Shout out Linkswell for hooking this one up. So today we are going to be replacing this whole setup, climate controls included, with one of these 10.4 inch new head unit. So this one's touchscreen. You got navigation, Apple and Android, phone link, CarPlay, Wi-Fi capable, Bluetooth, a nice bezel. This thing is going to fit perfectly. It comes with a new bezel. So here's the actual unit that's going to be going in to the truck. So that's what we're going to be upgrading to. I'll link the video I'm going off of in the description below if you guys want to do this, and I'll obviously link this setup down below as well. Should be pretty straightforward based off the videos I've been watching. It comes with all the harnesses you need. So yeah, let's go ahead and see if we can knock this one out. All right, you guys, the screen is in. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Okay, so here's our home page. We can change all of this stuff, make it look however we want it to. Time, Bluetooth, all that stuff up top. Here's our home button. Now at the bottom here, we start at the left, we got navigation. It pulls up Google Maps for us. Next one over is radio. The next one after that is music. I'm guessing if a CD or aux or something was plugged in. And then two, since we got rid of the climate controls down here, the climate is now built in to the screen. So if we go ahead and turn the fan up, there you go. Temperature up and down, pretty cool. The screen's super responsive. I really appreciate that. And then if I was going over to another screen, you can see the climate stays up. To get rid of that, that's this button right here. Or to turn the climate off all the way, just the power button like that. So next one over is Bluetooth music. If you were doing that, then you got video. So if you loaded up some like movies or whatever else on here, you could watch right here. And then your final one over here is phone link, which is your Android Auto or CarPlay. Another thing I liked is when I open the driver's door here, that's pretty cool. It shows me on the screen. Down here we got our hazard button. Turn our hazards on and off. It has wireless CarPlay. I really enjoy that. As you guys can see, the fit and finish like it came in the truck, really nice. I'm not super good with electrical, and I've never done a stereo, anything like that. So the fact that I was able to means that you guys should be able to. I'll link the YouTube video that I watched down below, and he basically went through it step by step. Everything else was kind of common sense, and I was able to figure it out. Hopefully it all works good. If not, I got Bill over at SoundHound on standby if anything comes up that I need some help with, but I think I got it taken care of. Everything seems to be working like it should. Again, I will leave a link to this down below. Lynxwell does not just make these for Dodges either. This is the 10.4 inch. They do make a 12 inch. So they make one that's even bigger than this. I think they even make like an XL, which is even taller, like the new Dodges. But they make them for all different kinds of vehicles, so make sure to check them out. This one's just the 10.4, like I said, for my specific truck. So that was perfect for me. Huge shout out to those guys for sending that over again. I still haven't even figured out what all cool things this thing can do yet, but yeah, you can log into the internet, you can watch YouTube videos, you can watch Netflix. So this is a huge upgrade from what I obviously originally had. So again, I'm gonna go ahead and mess around with some of these settings and see what I can get done. I also had to run a external microphone that came with the kit. Your regular truck microphones do not work when you install this unit, so you have to make sure you install their mic to make sure everything works like it should with phone calls and whatnot. But yeah, super happy with how this turned out. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and start messing around with some settings. I'll let you guys know what I come up with. I've been messing with this thing for hours. There are so many different things you can customize. It's basically just, yeah, an Android tablet, so you can download stuff off Google Play. You can change all the launch settings and backgrounds, pictures, like customize the apps at the bottom. There's so many things. It's gonna take me a while to get through everything and get it all figured out 100%. Really excited to dig into it, and I might do an update video in the future of, you know, other cool stuff I found that you can do. It's gonna wrap up today's video. As always, I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to check out Lynxwell, I will link them in the description. Thank you guys again. Take it easy, and we'll catch you on the next one.